Camp Knowsley is an amazing experience for the children just to have a wonderful time, really engaging with the outdoors in new ways, learning about all the different things that you need to survive. We are going to be doing fire lighting, we're going to be doing a bush tucker challenge, so bug eating, we're making our very own survival bracelets to take away and keep, we're using Stone Age tools, we're going to be going for nature walks, learning about what's in this environment.
Camp Knowsley was amazing. I really enjoyed making the fire and eating the bugs.
Camp Knowsley is really fun and exciting. I made this necklace and bracelet and they showed me how to do it all by myself.
Definitely recommend it. It's amazing and I really enjoyed it.
The outdoors people are going to be here at Knowsley Safari every day between now and the end of August. We're going to be here between 11 AM and 4 PM. We're going to be running a whole bunch of included activities, both drop-in ones so you can just come along at any moment, as well as some scheduled ones. You can learn more about that on Knowsley Safari's website and all the different times and activities that are available.